946, this ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. We're on video 946, source code is down there. Let's go down here to the legal section. So right here, we have a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros. These are misspellings, but probable guesses for D underscore rule bomb V16 to left, right, top, bottom branches of an explosion being emitted by a bomb of a certain type, according to the rules for our bombs. I feel like that's too long of an explanation, but let's keep on fucking going and see where this goes. Okay, how big are my arms, bro? Okay, so this is another lax comma hack here, and we have 4 misspellings, and then we have the fixes over here. So if I type something like this, then this is what I was actually looking for. D and underscore bomb area V16 converted to width and height. Now notice that there is no underscore here. That's a little hack because I don't want to fucking end up in this section of code when I'm looking at actual valid references in like production code. This is a one-way fucking funnel, okay? Let's go down to the next section. Bomb area functions. Okay, bomb area functions. What do you got in here? Okay, unit test main minisim data put. So this is a put helper. Function bomb area unit test main mini put. And we're putting at an input minisim x and y. Oh, there's no value that we're going to put. Why is that? Because this is for a very specific case for simulating our unit test, simulating an explosion. Okay, we have the maximum index on the X or Y axis. This is the actual embedded tile map for our unit test right here. That's 256 elements. 16 by 16 is 256. Here, if we are in bounds, we're actually going to convert the XY to an index and set a binary, the maximum possible 8-bit integer here, unsigned, into here. It's going to represent it's going to represent flames being set into our simulation tile map. If we're out of bounds, it's okay. We're going to do nothing. Lasers go out of bounds. It's fine. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error because it needs to be one of those cases. And then down here, I don't think we're ever going to need to get her, but I left this in case we do. Okay? Down here, bomb area unit test main emit from center a ring blast. Yeah, I thought we were going to fucking do this. I guess we're not doing it in this fucking video. We'll do it in the next video. Maybe. Here's what we did previously. Footnotes and stuff. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. I'm out of fucking time.